manicure. So she doesn't scratch her mommy and daddy. Oops. Take a sec on my finger. Apparently, yes. Trying not to get in the way of the camera.
Alright, family.
I'm sorry. I was in the middle of actually doing something.
I was laughing when I said that.
Okay. Alright. I can't tell what nail on this hand it was that was just scratching me, so I guess... Oh, that's the one. Okay.
The target starts to focus.
Yeah. I'm not the one moving the target. It's hard to file a nail on a moving target, too. There we go. Alright, that should be a little less hazardous. Thank you. Thank you for letting me do that.
Bye-bye.